Hello student, yesterday we studied preparation methods of amines. Then today we discussing with you reaction of amines. There are four reactions of amine. Name of the first reaction is carbylamine reaction. Name of second reaction Schotten-Baumann reaction. And name of the third reaction is the electrophilic substitution of aniline. In this electrophilic substitution of aniline, there are again three electrophilic substitution reaction. First is the nitration, second is sulfonation, and third one is the halogenation. Then we study here one by one. First reaction of amine is the carbylamine reaction. This reaction is used for identification of primary amine or detection of primary amine. In this reaction, when primary amine heated with chloroform with alcoholic caustic potash, primary amines form isocyanide having extremely disagreeable odor. This is the test for detection of primary amines. For example, I am taking here ethylamine plus ethylamine C2H5NH2 plus chloroform CaCl3 plus 3 molecules of alcoholic KOH. These three components heated to form ethyl isocyanide. Here cyanide group C triple bond N, isocyanide N triple bond C. Ethyl group attached to the nitrogen atom. Therefore, name of this compound is the ethyl isocyanide plus 3 molecules of KCl and plus 3 molecules of H2O release. Then again I am taking here second example aniline. Aniline is the aromatic amine, aromatic primary amine. Ethylamine is the aliphatic primary amine. I am taking aniline C6H5NH2 means benzene ring attached NH2 group is called as the aniline C6H5NH2 plus chloroform plus alcoholic KOH. These three components heated to form phenyl isocyanide C6H5N triple bond C plus thrice KCl plus thrice H2O. This is the carbylamine reaction. This reaction is useful for detection of primary amine. Means primary amine react with chloroform, alcoholic KOH and form isocyanides. Then second reaction Schotten-Baumann reaction. Here the amino groups of the amines are acylated when they are treated with aromatic acid chlorides. Aromatic acid chloride C6H5COCl, this is the aromatic acid chloride, or sulfonyl chloride in presence of caustic soda solution is known as Schotten-Baumann reaction. This technique is fail in case of aliphatic acid chloride as they are hydrolyzed quickly in aqueous alkali. Therefore, I am taking here example aniline react with aromatic acid chloride. Aromatic acid chloride, that is C6H5COCl. In presence of KOH, formation of C6H5NHCO C6H5. Name of this compound benzene anilide. Here one of the H from NH2 group and Cl released in the form of a HCl. This is the first reaction of Schotten-Baumann reaction. Then I am taking another example of the reaction aniline. Instead of aromatic acid chloride, that instead of C6H5COCl, we use here benzene sulfonyl chloride. Here C6H5SO2Cl. Name of this compound is the benzene sulfonyl chloride. Then Cl form from benzene sulfonyl chloride and one of the H from aniline release in the form of HCl, and here attachment C6H5NH SO2 C6H5. Name of this compound is the N-phenyl sulfonamide. C6H5NH SO2 C6H5. Name of this compound is the N-phenyl sulfonamide by releasing HCl molecule. Here amines are treated with aromatic acid chloride or benzene sulfonyl chloride to form here N-phenyl sulfonamide by releasing HCl, This is the Schotten-Baumann reaction. Then the third reaction, electrophilic substitution of aniline. Here aniline benzene ring containing NH2 group. Here NH2 group nitrogen atom having lone pair of the electron, and this lone pair activate benzene ring at ortho and para position. Therefore, here we study first electrophilic substitution reaction is the nitration. Nitration means introducing NO2 group to the benzene ring is called as the nitration. Then here NH2 group is the very activate group. Therefore, in presence of nitric acid, it undergoes oxidation. Therefore, first we protect the NH2 group by acetylation. Therefore, aniline react with acetic anhydride by releasing acetic acid. Here NH2 group is converted to the NHCOCH3. Acetic anhydride containing 2 CH3CO group, 1 CH3CO and H released in the form of acetic acid, and another COCH3 group attached to the nitrogen atom converted to the NHCOCH3. Means aniline undergoes acetylation converted to the acetanilide. Then this acetanilide means protection of NH2 group. In case of aniline, acetanilide undergoes nitration. Nitration is nothing but mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Then here introducing NO2 group at ortho position, formation of O-nitroacetanilide. Means acetanilide undergoes nitration, formation of a O-nitroacetanilide. Then this O-nitroacetanilide further hydrolysis means addition of water molecule. Here I am showing here addition of water molecule H, here NH and COCH3. COCH3 group this attach OH and NH attach H. Then conversion of here product is the O-nitroaniline, NH2 ortho position NO2 group. Therefore, formation of a O-nitroaniline by releasing one molecule of acetic acid. This is the formation of ortho product of aniline when you use acetic anhydride is the acetylating agent. Then instead of acetic anhydride, suppose we use here in second reaction acetic acid. Then this acetic acid also protect NH2 group. Therefore, aniline undergoes acetylation, formation of acetanilide NHCOCH3, then OH and the H release in form of the water molecule, and CH3CO group attached to the NH group converted to the NHCOCH3. That is, aniline undergoes acetylation in presence of acetic acid, formation of a acetanilide. Then this acetanilide further react with nitrating mixture, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Then NO2 group attached to the para position and formation of a para-nitroacetanilide. And para-nitroacetanilide further hydrolysis takes place at the group NHCOCH3. I am showing here. Therefore, H attached to the NH and OH attached to the COCH3 group by releasing one molecule of acetic acid, and NHCOCH3 group converted to the NO2 group at para position, formation of a para-nitroaniline. This is the nitration of aniline. NH2 group is very active group. Therefore, deactivating NH2 group we use two reagent. One is the acetic anhydride and acetic acid. When we use acetic anhydride, NO2 group attach ortho position, and when we use acetic acid, NO2 group attach at the para position. This is the nitration of aniline. Then further we study here bromination of aniline. Next reaction, bromination of aniline. Here the amino group activate the nucleus to such an extent that the substitution takes place at two ortho and one para position. Thus the reaction with chlorine and bromine gives the tri-substitution product. For example, reaction with bromine, aniline form. Here benzene ring attach NH2, this is the aniline. Then Br reaction with Br2, formation of 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. Formation of 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. If however the amino group is acylated, the activating influence of NaCOCH3 is much less as compared to the NH2 group, and in that case only mono substitution product is obtained. Here aniline undergoes bromination, formation of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. In second reaction, aniline acetylated means protection of NH2 group converted to the acetanilide by using CH3COCl as acetyl chloride, formation of acetanilide. Then this acetanilide undergoes bromination. Here Br atom attached at para position and formation of a para bromo acetanilide. Then para bromo acetanilide further hydrolysis. Then NaCOCH3 group is converted to NH2 and COCH3 group released in the form of a CH3COH and formation of a para bromo aniline. These are the two product of bromination are 2,4,6 tribromo aniline and second one is the para bromo aniline, when here aniline first protected by acetyl chloride converted to the acetanilide NaCOCH3. Then this acetanilide undergoes bromination, formation of a para bromo acetanilide, and para bromo acetanilide undergoes hydrolysis, formation of para bromo aniline. Therefore bromination reaction, two products are formed, 2,4,6 tribromo aniline as well as para bromo aniline. This is the bromination. Then last reaction is the sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation means SO3, introducing SO3H group to the benzene ring is called as the sulfonation. Therefore aniline react with H2SO4, formation of NH3HSO, that is aniline acid sulfate. Then releasing water molecule, formation of here phenyl NHSO3H, benzene ring attached to the NHSO3H. For name of this compound is the phenyl sulfanylic acid. Then this phenyl sulfanylic acid, when heated at 60 degrees centigrade, formation of orthoanylic acid. Here SO3H group attached at ortho position. Then formation of orthoanylic acid, or name of this orthoanylic acid is nothing but orthoamino benzene sulfonic acid. Then suppose phenyl sulfonic acid, instead of 60 degree we heat this compound at 180 degree centigrade. Then formation of here NH2 SO3H at para position. Name of this compound is the sulfanylic acid, or another name of this sulfanylic acid is the at para position amino group. Therefore para amino benzene sulfonic acid or para amino benzene sulfonic acid is also known as a sulfanylic acid. Here sulfanylic acid have sweeter ion structure. I am showing here SO3 minus NH3 plus. This is the sweeter ion structure. Thank you for listening.